There's nothing quite like the warmth and simplicity of country cooking. It's about hearty flavors, satisfying textures, and bringing people together around the table. Today, we're diving into a recipe that embodies all of that and more. Crispy country-style salmon patties. These patties are a delicious twist on traditional crab cakes, offering a budget-friendly and equally flavorful alternative. They're quick and easy to prepare, making them perfect for a weeknight dinner or a casual weekend lunch. Get ready to treat your taste buds to a symphony of textures and tastes. The crispy golden exterior gives way to a tender, flaky interior bursting with the fresh flavor of salmon. It's a dish that's sure to become a new family favorite. Before we embark on our culinary adventure, let's gather everything we need. This recipe is all about simple, fresh ingredients that come together harmoniously. Here's what you'll need. 1 pound boneless, skinless salmon fillet, finely chopped, half a cup of mayonnaise, a quarter cup of finely chopped celery, a quarter cup of finely chopped red onion, 1 large egg, lightly beaten, a quarter cup of panko breadcrumbs, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh parsley, 1 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning, half a teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil for cooking. Now that we have our ingredients prepped and ready, it's time to work our magic and create these flavorful patties. In a large bowl, combine the chopped salmon, mayonnaise, celery, red onion, egg, panko breadcrumbs, Dijon mustard, parsley, Old Bay seasoning, salt, and pepper. Gently mix all the ingredients together until they are well combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can result in tough patties. Divide the salmon mixture into 4 equal portions. Using your hands, gently shape each portion into a patty about 1 inch thick. Section 4. Cooking to crispy perfection. The key to achieving those irresistible crispy edges lies in the cooking method. You can either pan fry or bake these patties, depending on your preference. Pan frying. First, heat the olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Carefully place the patties in the hot skillet, ensuring they are not overcrowded. Cook for about 4 to 5 minutes per side, or until they are golden brown and cooked through. Baking. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, or 190 degrees Celsius. Lightly grease a baking sheet with olive oil or cooking spray. Arrange the patties on the prepared baking sheet and bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until cooked through and golden brown. Section 5. Serving up a symphony of flavors. These crispy country-style salmon patties are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in countless ways. Here are a few serving suggestions to inspire you. Classic comfort. Serve your patties with a side of creamy mashed potatoes and steamed green beans for a comforting and satisfying meal. Fresh and zesty. Pair them with a light and refreshing salad tossed with a lemon vinaigrette for a lighter option. Southern charm. Embrace the country theme and serve them with creamy coleslaw, baked beans, and a dollop of tartar sauce. Burger night twist. Place your patties on toasted buns with lettuce, tomato, and your favorite burger toppings for a fun and flavorful twist. Section 6. Sharing the joy of country cooking. Cooking is all about creating delicious memories and sharing them with the people we love. These crispy country-style salmon patties are sure to become a staple in your recipe repertoire, bringing smiles to everyone's faces. Don't be afraid to experiment with different flavor combinations and serving suggestions. You can add a dash of hot sauce for a spicy kick, or swap out the salmon for another type of fish, like cod or tilapia. Section 7. A final word from Ina's kitchen. From my kitchen to yours, I hope you enjoy making and sharing these crispy country-style salmon patties as much as I do. Remember, the most important ingredient in any recipe is love. So put on your apron, gather your loved ones, and let's get cooking. And please, don't forget to share your culinary creations with me. Tag your photos on social media with #Inagarten and let me know how your patties turned out. Happy cooking!